Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Kynhun Myntri ka Sarkar Jilla menta ka singi ka arpunyaw tarik ujili o arajar arpulay. Kala aju menjur ban Weng no ka benta ka badan ha ka office memorandum jong ka reservation policy jong osnam kat kandai spa anyo pusal. Ka ba ailat ban Rungkam mi ki Garo ki bamde na ka Jilla Meghalaya. Habakran shikilat pathai khobor hadin ka jingyalang ka Kynhun Myntri ka Myntri Sarkar ka Dr. Amparin Lingdo ka badairu ka chairperson jong ka committee halor ka roster system. Kalau ang bayi ki kamba thali ki balabu na kamta ki jat ben riu Garo anla ban pendap tang di ki jat ben riu Garo ki basa ajala Meghalaya. Ka Kynhun Myntri kala menjoru ban pen kala ya ka office memorandum ka ba menshwa halor ka reservation policy ka ba penmi ha ka khat atari ukala lengkot khat khandai spa anyo pu ar ka ba ong ba ki kam ki ba thali ki ba hab ban pendap da ka ba pen bana de ban pen bana khandai thali kanam don shu menta namar ba ya ka roster point ha ka reservation policy hab ban buat. Lai thuru baya ka office memorandum ka bapen mi aus nam arajar arpo na ka bentang beduna dukhatmat lapen kala no da ka jipen mi ya ka OM halor ka reservation roster ka ba khatsau tari gujilio arajar arpulai.
By the cabinet today was it has passed the proposal for the amendment of the Meghalaya District Courts Municipal Service 2020. Henceforth, district courts will be authorized to omit and delete rule number 33, and henceforth the DSC rules will also apply in the district courts. What do you call it? Job and employment.
Yes, and no transfer.
No transfers. Yeah. So that is the first thing. The ministerial service rule. It was amended today. We've deleted rule 33, and henceforth the district Meghalaya district courts ministerial service rules will ensure that jobs are not transferable. So we've amended. The cabinet was pleased to amend OMs of the personnel department on reservation policy, reservation roster. In the new situation where we have a new cabinet memo regarding the implementation of the roster in the state of Meghalaya, we were now able to omit certain erroneous memorandums that were issued in the previous years, 1970, for example, in 1972, 12/01/1972, the OM relating to vacancies for scheduled tribe and scheduled caste, with the notification which says that number of vacancies would be filled up as per roster point arrived at the reservation policy. Hence, the regulation of reservation in a situation where the number of vacancies is 9 or less would not be required anymore. So that has been amended. We also amended another one, OM, dated 1974. So the OM will be set aside as it is being observed that most of the vacancies reserved for Garo categories have been and are being filled by qualified candidates from the Garo category who are available from within the state. So we are not, we have deleted the office memorandum which allowed Garos living outside the state of Meghalaya being eligible for applying for jobs in the state of Meghalaya. A third OM that, and we have amended this, the OM of 2020 on reservation roster for persons with disabilities. It was notified then. However, with the issue of the new OM dated 14/6/23, the reservation for persons with disabilities have been fixed as per definite points in the reservation roster, and hence the previous OM will not be applicable henceforth to this new reservation roster. Provision of para 2, and in view of this, it has been found necessary that this provision should also entail paragraph 2 to the OM incorporating a qualification paper that is knowledge of local language to be included for recruitment of categories of posts which fall under the purview of the district selection committee. So these were few things that were decided, and the cabinet was pleased to pass them. We also